Okay, this is just a very quick little video. I poured some concrete. This is another spot where life gets in the way. The concrete truck left such big ruts I had to rototill that. I'm backfilling. And I am working on the sawmill as we speak. One of my bigger problems has been the weather here in Michigan. This is a B57 or a 5L60 belt from D&D Power. Okay, here you will see that these pulleys are made in China. They are BK190 with an 1.25" shaft. So that belt fits that pulley. The motor is mounted. Let's see. Zoom in there a little bit. Yeah, right there you can see it's welded, but it's virtually just tacked into place. Coming around to the other side. Alright. Mounted. Have the pulley mounted. Have other belts in here that I was using to measure. Obviously this is a centrifugal clutch. I really like that feature so much that I'm going to use it on this newer one too. This particular one has a bearing in it though. The other one had a bushing. Had to oil it every once in a while. This is the pulley for the alternator. Alternator will sit over here somewhere. I am working up here. I did not like the way the vertical rod for raising and lowering, like that one over there, the Acme screw. Zoom in on it so you can get a look at it. There's the Acme screw on the other side. Well, there has to be one on both sides. And I didn't like the position of the one on here because this stuff would get in the way of it raising up and down. So I'm cutting out this tube and I have scabbed on a piece of a 1/2 inch to hold the frame together. And it will allow me to bring that threaded rod over this way a little bit. It'll miss everything. That's about it. I'm working on mounting the battery in here so I can start the engine. You can see my mess. Yeah, you can see I'm leaving some tools out here, but by golly, they're chained up. I like my tools, so I want to keep them. The garden has been worked up a little bit. You can see some of that. The asparagus patch was worked up, but now with the cold, it's been so cold here, it's been down in as low as the 20s at night. Asparagus isn't doing much. Okay, that's an update for right now. Spring in Michigan, cold and wet. Bye-bye.